Quite a lot number of people does not really know that whatever you do on your phone is being listening to by Google. And as a result of that, your voice conversation, your calls, and everything has been spied on by Google. They use this information for ad personalization. You can imagine when you are talking to someone on phone that you need a shoe, or you need a bag, or you need an house rent, and or you need anything for your personal use. And all of a sudden, when you cut the call, you see ads pumping up around when you search on Google, on Facebook, or on Instagram. This is what Google use all this information to do. They use it for a ad personalization. So if you really want to stop all this by stopping Google from listening to your conversation and how you can simply stop Google voice tracking on your Google account, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you get it done without any stress and protect your privacy on Google account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. I'm going to click on settings right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on your Gmail account. Then proceed to Google account. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to swipe this way and make sure you go to data and privacy. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and click on web and app activity. So click on that. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here. And then at this section right here, make sure you turn on this particular button. So what you need to do is to simply check on that. And this is going to pump up. Stop saving audio recording with web and app activity. Simply scroll down and read the detail. Next thing you need to do is to simply stop saving. Setting is off. Not saving new audio recording. It's as simple as that. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on got it. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.